I don't condone lies. Good morning, everyone! It's Saturday! Woohoo! Another week has passed, and the end of April is drawing near. I'm not sure what the outcome is going to be, but I'm pretty terrified. I just feel like if lockdown stops, the amounts of cases with this virus will spike, and I'm really worried. Because you're really not sure if everyone who has the virus is getting tested. You could definitely not have symptoms and be walking around with the virus and spreading it to other persons. So today I have to do IGTV video, Didi's Kitchen Madness. And I need to create another little snippet video ad for my diabetes program. Be the Sweet with Didi. I want to help others. So help me to help others by sharing the information. So you know what time it is. Breakfast time. Let's go. Hi, my squishy muffin. How you doing, people? Booby, booby. Oh, look at you. How you doing, boy? Baby, baby. Look at that fish. Ha 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 ha. Why are you so sad? What happened? Tired, baby. Shimba just want all the love for himself. They're so cute and lovable. Love them so much. Sparky doesn't look so good. What's wrong, Sparky? Hey guys, getting a pet during this time is the best thing that you can do for yourself. But just make sure you don't neglect them, okay? It's time for my yummy breakfast. I can't do without breakfast on a daily. I don't know how people do it, honestly. Eating breakfast is definitely something that you can do for your body that's going to impact it positively. It's that time of the month, guys. What do you guys do for the pain? I have like pills and a heating pad. During this time, some persons get excruciating pains. Some persons get like nausea and vomiting, and other persons just don't get any symptoms, which I know you guys are lucky about. Yeah, I'm gonna tell you a lie about myself. And you will rarely hear me lie. It's gotta be for like sort of situation where I don't see any other way. But what I noticed that I really enjoy getting your feedback and getting your interaction, and live videos tend to get you guys to interact with me, so it's really great, and I'm really grateful that you guys come on board. Today I've been working on my diabetic book for my program Be the Sweet with Didi, and it's finished. I just need to do little tweaks. I love doing these kitchen madness things. They're so fun. Got my tripod here, and I'm just gonna set up in the kitchen now. I made mac and cheese, woohoo! And I'm eating it out as we speak. It tastes so good. On my IGTV Instagram video, if you want to check it out on my app. I have had no bad experience with breakups in terms of people acting out psycho after it ends, because honestly there are reasons for relationships ending, and it's always for the best when you realize that you're not getting the energy that you want in a relationship and things are not working out. You communicated as much as you could, you tried your best, your utmost best, and that's why things should just not continue, because once you know that you've been putting out a lot of energy and it's not leading to a healthy outcome and you're both are not going in the right direction, it doesn't make sense to drop it. And I think I've had pretty mature persons in my life to accept that it's not working out. Is that my life?
This is just your daily reminder to cut toxic people out of your life.
I love my TikTok message today. So guys, I'm just updating my app with the mac and cheese video that I just did and the recipe. Check it out, check it out. Editing is so time consuming. I also have a call meeting thing. Collabs could help persons to increase awareness about the program and what I do as a dietitian nutritionist. Snack time. Playtime with the cuties. Hey. Wait for it.
Go! Nanny, nanny, boo boo. Oh, look at it in full fit.
Getting some fresh air with the lovelies.
It's a bit of a cloudy day, but still beautiful nonetheless. Pretty, pretty, pretty. They're going to hatch soon. Ooh. Then slowly but surely. Look at how cute and handsome. No. Pimento. Salam. Chick, chick.
Dinner time.
My video vlog is uploaded on YouTube. Go check it out, as well as Facebook. You know where it is.
I had backyard toads, guys.
Here's a history of a number of imported cases or travel-related cases.
So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Sleep well. Remember, guys, eat healthy, stay healthy, be happy.